In today's class, we are going to learn about preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagents. Grignard reagents are organometallic compounds which have a bond between metal and carbon of the alkyl group. These compounds are very amazing. They can behave as strong nucleophiles if they don't have any acidic proton around them. But if acidic proton is present, they easily get converted to hydrocarbons. So in our today's class, we will see their reactions where they behave as strong nucleophile due to presence of a negative charge on the carbon of the alkyl group. So let's start preparation of alcohols using Grignard reagents with carbonyl compounds. The first compound that we are taking is formaldehyde. Let's take formaldehyde HCHO and our Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. This alkyl group has a negative charge, a strong nucleophile. So this will attack at a weak electrophilic center, that is carbonyl carbon. As soon as this alkyl group attacks on this carbonyl carbon, we will see a shift of electrons towards oxygen. We get an intermediate like HCH. Alkyl group is getting attached here, and here we get ONgBr. Second step, in presence of water, the bond between O and Ng. This will break. You can write here H, here OH. So this results in formation of alcohol CH3, CH2OH along with the side product of MgBrOH. Our alcohol is ethanol, a 1 degree alcohol. So what we have seen, when alkyl magnesium bromide reacts with formaldehyde, that results in formation of 1 degree alcohol. Another important thing to note is our aldehyde had 1 carbon. Our product has 2 carbons. So this reaction is also known as step up reaction. Very important when we carry out conversions, wherever you want to step up, आप जहां भी number of carbon atoms बढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो वहां के लिए ये एक बहुत अच्छा मेथड है. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल हमने ट्राई किया, फॉर्मल्डिहाइड से हमें मिल रहा है 1 डिग्री अल्कोहल. इसी को हम नेक्स्ट ट्राई करते हैं. लेट्स से हम ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट को ट्रीट करते हैं एसिटाल्डिहाइड से. चेक करते हैं हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा. मैकेनिज्म, similar mechanism again will be followed. CH3MgBr, CH3C double bond OH. Our carbonyl group is not able to provide any acidic hydrogen. That's why Grignard reagent is not getting converted into hydrocarbon. ये nucleophile की तरह behave कर रहा है. CH3 minus, this attacks on carbonyl carbon. Shift of electrons on oxygen. Let's see the product. CH3C, this is ONgBr, H, with our CH3 group here. On reaction with water, in the second step, we get the product as CH3, CH3 plus MgBrOH. Water addition, यहाँ देखना है आपको HOH. तो एसिटाल्डिहाइड से रिएक्ट करने पे हमें मिला 2 डिग्री अल्कोहल. अब इसी को हम चेक करते हैं. अगर हमारे पास एक कीटोन है, अगर एसीटोन है, तो हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स क्या बनेंगे. चलिए, अब मैकेनिज्म क्योंकि आपको बहुत क्लियर है, हम स्टेप्स को कंबाइन करके लिखेंगे. CH3MgBr reacting with acetone. So CH3 has attacked on this carbon, shifting, and we get CH3CONgBr, CH3. On hydrolysis, the product is a 3 degree alcohol. So a very good method of preparing Three types of alcohol, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Reacting Grignard reagent with formaldehyde resulted in 1 degree alcohol, with acetaldehyde 2 degree alcohol and with acetone we got 3 degree alcohol. अब इसी को थोड़ा सा आगे मूव करते हुए हम ट्राई करते हैं, अगर हम ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट को एसिड क्लोराइड्स एंड एस्टर्स से रिएक्ट करें तो हमारी प्रोडक्ट्स क्या बन सकते हैं. तो रिएक्शन ऑफ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट विद एसिटाइल क्लोराइड, CH3 NgBr plus CH3 COCl. यहाँ एक और कंडीशन हमारे पास होनी चाहिए कि हमारा ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट एक्सेस में अवेलेबल है. फर्स्ट स्टेप बिल्कुल सेम है, एल्काइल ग्रुप का अटैक कार्बोनाइल कार्बन पे जो एक वीक इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, क्या प्रोडक्ट होंगे? CH3 CO NgBr Cl and CH3. अब जो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हमें नोट करना है, अभी तक हमने क्योंकि वाटर एडिशन नहीं किया है तो यहाँ पे जो होने वाला है दैट इज रिमूवल ऑफ Cl माइनस, क्योंकि ये एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग लीविंग ग्रुप है. तो हाउ विल इट हैपन? ये बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन का यहाँ शिफ्ट करिए एंड Cl माइनस रिमूव करिए. CH3 CO CH3 प्लस NgClBr. तो अगेन हम किस स्टेप पर हैं? हम अगेन हैं एट एसीटोन. अगर इसमें हम फिर से ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट ऐड करते हैं फॉलोड बाय रिएक्शन विद वाटर, हमारा प्रोडक्ट होगा 3 degree alcohol. 2 moles of Grignard reagent have been utilized in this reaction. Reaction of Grignard reagent with acetyl chloride has again resulted in formation of acetyl 3 degree alcohol. अब इसी को हम ट्राई करते हैं एस्टर्स के साथ. Esters, let's take ethyl ethanoate. Structure of ethyl ethanoate, CH3 C double bond O O C2H5. इसे हम ट्रीट कर रहे हैं CH3 NgBr. First step. I hope the mechanism is very clear. So we get here CH3 CO NgBr OC2H5 and an attachment of CH3. अब हमारा लीविंग ग्रुप कौन सा है? यहाँ पे हमारा लीविंग ग्रुप है OC2H5. So what's going to happen before addition of water? Shifts the bond like this. आपके पास फिर से फॉर्मेशन है एसीटोन का एंड रिमूवल है NgOC2H5Br. तो हम अगेन हैं कीटोन पे, जहां पे हम फिर से अगर ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट ऐड करते हैं फॉलोड बाय एडिशन ऑफ वाटर, our product is again a 3 degree alcohol. So what we have learned in this method, Grignard reagents when react with carbonyl compounds, they result in formation of 1, 2 and 3 degree alcohols. 3 degree alcohols can also be obtained if Grignard reagents are treated with esters or acid chlorides. This is our second method of preparation of alcohols by using reduction method. Reduction method can be utilized for aldehydes, ketones, acids and esters. The reducing agents that we'll be using for reduction of these compounds could be hydrogen in presence of any metal like nickel, or it could be platinum or palladium. So hydrogen in presence of nickel, sodium in presence of ethanol, lithium aluminium hydride, sodium borohydride. Let's check each reaction one by one. Aldehydes on reduction with any one of these reducing agents result into formation of 1 degree alcohol RCH2OH. Ketones on reduction results in formation of 2-degree alcohols. Any one of the reducing agents could be used. Acids, for acids we are using a strong reducing agent, lithium aluminium hydride, followed by hydrolysis, results in formation of again 1-degree alcohol. In case of esters, important point to note is we get mixture of alcohols, one from the RCO path, other from the R-O path. So lithium aluminium hydride followed by hydrolysis is resulting in formation of alcohols like RCH2OH and R-OH. So reduction is again a very important method of preparing alcohols from compounds like aldehydes, ketones, acids or esters. The next method of preparation of alcohols is from alkenes. Here we follow two methods. First is hydration of alkene. Second, hydroboration oxidation method. First method, hydration of alkene. In this, water molecule is added to alkene in presence of dilute H2SO4, and as per the Markovnikov rule, we get the product. Here we have taken propene. Addition of water in presence of acid is resulting in formation of propane 2-ol. Second method, hydroboration oxidation method. This goes as per anti-Markovnikov rule. So here we are treating our alkene, unsymmetrical alkene with diborane in presence of water, peroxide and in an alkaline medium. This results in final product formation of propane 1-ol, which is an anti-Markovnikov product. About its mechanism, we will learn in the next slide. Reaction of alkyl halides with aqueous KOH results in formation of alcohol. This is as per nucleophilic substitution reactions. This we have done in the chemical properties of haloalkanes. Here we are doing it as preparation of alcohols. Simply, the addition of aqueous KOH to alkyl halides results in the formation of alcohol.